AIEasyPic AI is a brand new software that's taking the AI world by storm. And if you're wondering whether it's worth the hype, stay tuned. There are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make the most of this innovative tool. First things first, you can try AIEasyPic for free by checking out the first link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, just jump in and explore everything this software has to offer. Now, let's dive right into it. AIEasyPic promises to be the easiest way to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks, and that's exactly what it does. It leverages powerful AI algorithms to generate beautiful images and graphics that are ready to use in seconds. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, this tool cuts down your design time drastically while maintaining high quality. It's as simple as typing in your idea and boom, AI-generated magic. But it doesn't stop there. One of the most impressive things about AIEasyPic is its intuitive interface. Even if you've never used AI software before, you'll feel right at home. The design tools are beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough to cater to experienced users. It doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Everything you need is right in front of you, and you'll get the hang of it within minutes. Next, let's talk about customization. AIEasyPic allows you to personalize your generated images in ways that many similar tools simply don't. You can adjust colors, add text, resize, and even tweak the AI-generated images to match your brand or style. This flexibility makes it a great tool for businesses, content creators, and social media managers who want unique visuals without hiring a designer. Another standout feature is its AI-powered optimization. The software automatically optimizes your images for social media, websites, and more. This means you don't have to worry about whether your images are the right size or quality for different platforms. AIEasyPic handles that for you. It even gives you tips on how to best use each image across various channels. Now, let's touch on speed. With AIEasyPic, you'll be generating top quality images in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional design tools. The AI works quickly and efficiently, meaning you can get your content out faster and focus on other important tasks. Whether you're working on a tight deadline or just want to save time, this tool is a game changer. And the best part? It's constantly evolving. The team behind AIEasyPic is working hard to make improvements and add new features based on user feedback. So as you use it, expect the software to get even better, offering even more creative possibilities down the road. Finally, let's talk about pricing. AIEasyPic offers a free trial to get you started, but it also has affordable premium plans for those who want to unlock advanced features. This means you get to test the software thoroughly before deciding whether it's the right fit for your needs with no hidden costs. So, after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that AIEasyPic is one of the best options out there for anyone looking to streamline their design process. It's powerful, easy to use, and incredibly versatile. I've got some of my top recommended AI tools in the description below, all of which you can try for free, so don't forget to check them out. Remember, you can try AIEasyPic for free through the link in the description. And if you're looking for more amazing AI tools, I've got you covered with my list of recommendations.